Alright, so this is a Polo mirror that is dismantled because the LED failed and the mirror glass also failed. But to get to replacing the LED module, that's a part number if someone needs. To get to replacing one of these, you've got to essentially undo the whole assembly. So I'm just going to do the installation and then I'm going to explain quickly the disassembly if you ever have to. My installation is plug in the connector. Make sure that the rubber is okay because this rubber sometimes breaks. All right, that's that. Put that in place roughly, and you'll see your 2 screws. So I want 2 little screws to put in. That's the indicator assembly on. We can put the mirror housing assembly back in. Just the 3 screws. It's also a good time to clean up all the cobwebs. We just want to line up these 1, 2, 3. 3 bolts. Cool. Which is tight and tight. Once that's done, so the mounting points are pretty much that nib, this vertical, this tab in the back that locks in onto the LED housing, this one on the end which pops in there, and then this one which is this top one. Putting it on, literally just forcing it straight down. And literally the whole assembly just clicks straight on. 1, 2, 3. In right, it shouldn't go anywhere. Beautiful, and the last item is the glass. So just install that. So you can put the heating elements either or, doesn't really matter if it's brown or white or brown, you know, as long as they're on, because it's just a conductive circuit that just runs around to warm up the glass. Usually these don't fail. I've noticed sometimes they do. Most likely thing that fails is the wiring inside the door. If you line it up right, it'll just click in place. I just like to press it in with my palm. That way you avoid, you know, pushing a contact in. That's essentially how you reassemble your mirror. And to dismantle, if you ever need to, I like to push this down, grab the mirror in the corner, and just pull it straight down. And that'll just pop it off. The glass has a chance to break. Be careful. Yes, so that pops off like that. To access the LED, you just need to get to those 2 screws. So you just undo this. Once that's undone, pop it down, and then just a little ratchet to undo these 2. And that's it. That's your mirror assembly right there.